Ultrasonic sensors are generally reliable components and don't require maintenance. Testing these sensors accurately is not always the easiest thing to do. And we should never use the check by replacement method. Hi, I'm Clint. Welcome to Automate. Because there are now many vehicles that require the engine to be running with reverse gear selected before the parking sensors are operated, the one-man test method is no longer effective. If a problem exists in the parking sensor or circuit of a vehicle fitted with Park Assist, then the system will shut down and not be operational until the fault is rectified. Luckily, the diagnostic box has come up with a tool that can test parking sensors quickly, easily and accurately. The TDB008 has been designed to give a visual indication of the output signals from parking sensors that use ultrasonics. The tool has an extended coil lead which allows a single person to operate the vehicle safely and test the sensors while sitting in the driver's seat. This makes the tool a time-saving product and ensures the system can be tested easily and safely by a single technician. With the batteries installed and the external microphone plugged in, attach it close to the sensor with the pickup pointing at the sensor's face. Press the power button to access the main menu. With the service brake applied, start the vehicle and place the transmission in reverse. Press OK to select Quick Test. The microphone sensitivity can be adjusted using the up and down arrows. Sensitivity should always be set against a known operational park sensor. When this is done, press OK to begin the check. Quick Test will measure the output of each sensor and display the result as a graph. Press OK after the first sensor is checked, then move the microphone to the next sensor. Continue this process until all parking sensors have been checked. The sensor with the lowest or no output will then require circuit testing. From the main menu, use the up and down arrows, then the OK key to select Advanced Test. There are now several options from this sub-menu to choose from. We would use these once a problem has been identified in the quick test. Pulse oscilloscope will display an individual sensor's acoustic waveform. This is a good signal. Again, we can compare a known working sensor to the one with the fault. This selection will display each pulse sent from the ultrasonic sensor. Pay attention to higher or lower than average peaks when testing the sensor. This test works well when checking for an intermittent signal. Bar graph allows us to see each signal displayed in more detail than the quick test. Again, pay close attention to signals that are higher or lower than average. This test analyses the frequency of the sensor signal and displays it on the screen. The TDB008 covers the typical ultrasonic automotive range of 34.8 to 68 kHz. When diagnosing, look for frequencies that may be higher or lower than expected. In this submenu, we can adjust user settings like sound control, turn off time, see the software version number, and adjust the screen contrast. The TDB008 is also fitted with an internal microphone that can be used when performing any of these checks. Just point the tool at the sensor and perform each required check. Be aware that the signals and results seen when using this option will be slightly different than when using the external mic. It's fast, accurate and easy to use. What more could we ask for in the busy workshop? When it comes to technical training, let Automate take you to the next level.